Key features: multi-device connectivity. Pair up to 3 devices simultaneously and switch between them using the easy switch buttons F1, F3. Cross-platform compatibility works seamlessly with Windows, Mac OS, iOS, iPadOS, Android, Chrome OS, and Linux. Note that while the keyboard functions on Linux, some media keys may require manual configuration. Compact design features a 65% layout with round, low-profile scissor switches, offering a tactile typing experience. The keyboard measures 4.88 x 10.98 x 0.63 inches and weighs approximately 423 grams with batteries. Battery life. Powered by AAA batteries, Logitech claims up to 2 years of battery life. However, some users have reported shorter durations, especially when using rechargeable batteries or certain operating systems. Customization. Through the Logi Options Plus software, users can reprogram select function keys to suit their workflow. Note that this software is available for Windows and Mac OS. Pros. Quiet typing. The scissor switches provide a quiet and comfortable typing experience suitable for shared or quiet environments. Portability. Its slim profile and lightweight design make it ideal for on-the-go use. Cons. No backlighting. The keyboard lacks backlit keys, which might be a drawback for some users. Limited key size. Some keys, like the arrow keys, are smaller than standard, which may affect typing comfort for some users. Battery drain issues. Certain users have experienced faster battery depletion, potentially due to software interactions or hardware issues. Purchasing tips. Authenticity. Be cautious when purchasing from third-party sellers, as counterfeit units have been reported. Verify the product's serial number with Logitech if in doubt.